Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to rent and buy movies on Apple TV app on our smart TV. So let's check it out. Apple TV app is from Apple company, the makers of popular devices like iPhone, iPad, MacBook, etc. They also have a subscription service called Apple TV Plus. This is like Netflix, Prime Video, etc. They have a lot of original content and their quality is top notch. We can also use the Apple TV app to rent and buy movies. We have to go to store here, and we have a lot of 4K HDR content as well. I recently purchased a movie called Zack Snyder's Justice League, this one, and I thought I should make a video about the whole process. To access the movies we rented or purchased, we have to go to this library section here, and we can find it under recent purchases or movies. To rent or buy movies, we have to first open the Apple TV app on our smart TV. If you haven't installed or activated the app on your smart TV, we have a separate video for that. I'll share that in the description. You can check it out after watching this video. After opening the app, we have to go to the leftmost side and choose Store here. On this page, we can find a lot of movies to rent and buy. We can find so many popular movies here, including the latest titles. We have several regional content here as well. We can also search for a specific movie. To do this, we can go to the search bar here and we can type the movie name. I'm going to type for the Prestige movie. This one, we can select this. Once we open the page, it will show us two options: to buy it or to rent it, along with the movie genre, duration, sensor rating, video resolution, etc. This is one of my all-time favorite movies. We have two options here: buy or rent. If I select the buy option, it will show all these details. It will show the language, audio, subtitles, etc. And if I select the rent option here, it will show all these options. We have option to rent and watch now and rent and watch later. And they also mention this: you have 30 days to start watching your movie and 48 hours to finish it after you start watching. I'm going to buy this movie now, but the procedure to rent this movie is almost the same as buying the movie. So we can go ahead. I'm going to select the buy option here and buy option here too. And now on this page, they have shown three ways we can do this. The first method is by scanning this QR code and entering this code. The second method is by going to link.apple.com and entering this code. And the third method is by using the remote control to enter our Apple ID and password. I have enabled required password for all the purchases. That's why we are getting this screen, I guess. For the first QR code method, we can use our smartphone's camera app to do this. Most of the latest smartphones camera app got this inbuilt QR code scanner. If not, we can download and use a separate app for that. This QR code contains a direct purchase link. If you have already logged into your Apple account on your browser, as soon as you click this link.apple.com link, the purchase will be done. So that is a straightforward method. I don't want to click this now. I'll do it for the last method. For the second method, we can use our mobile or desktop browser to go to link.apple.com, log into our Apple account and type this code. This confirmation code will refresh within some seconds. So make sure you do this process without delaying. For the third method, it's pretty easy and we don't need our computer or mobile to do this. We can simply take our TV remote and select this continue with remote option. And here we have to enter our email address and password associated with our Apple ID or Apple TV account. Select continue. And here we have to enter our Apple ID password. After entering the password, we can select the confirm option here. Signing in. I think that's all. The purchase is completed. Now I can easily access the movie. That's all, it's done. And this movie will be available in my library. I can go to the side section. I can go to the library here, and this movie will be available here. You can see the Prestige is available here. I can select this and I can play this. It will also be synced on all the Apple TV apps that we use on different devices. We can download them and watch them offline too. Suppose if you get any verification required pop-up message like this while renting or buying movies, then we will link a separate video for that with the solution, because even if you select continue, it won't go, it will still pop up again and again. In short, we have to make sure that we have enough funds in our payment options. I am from India and I added some funds matching the movie price via UPI to my account, and this pop up message vanished after that. These are the steps to rent and buy movies on Apple TV app on a smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.